Good morning, everyone. Today I'm making my favorite smoothie, but this time I decided to add this matcha organic green tea powder like before we did the protein, but this time I actually found just the matcha tea itself, and we're going to see how it tastes in our daily smoothie. Alright, y'all, so this is the smoothie. Let's give it a try. It's really good. So let me tell you the benefits of matcha. So it says it helps reduce inflammation in the body. It also helps maintain healthy arteries, and it also helps promote cell repair. All right, so I think I am going to include this in my daily smoothie because of the benefits is so wonderful. All right, y'all. So I mean, all the other ingredients in the smoothie is good as well. We have our dates, we have our coconut water. We use the coconut water instead of the milk. I include some spirulina, some sea moss, hemp seeds, everything. Look, y'all, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified. Leave positive vibes down below. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my smoothie, and I hope you're able to make you one as well. And like I said, yes, you can do this every single day. All right, y'all, so till next time, I will see you later. Peace.